If you are trying to pick the right DEWALT jigsaw, this ranking will save you from wasting money on the wrong one. We are going from the weakest option to the best overall pick, so stay with me, because the top two are very close. In fifth place, we have the DW317K. This is the simple, old-school corded option in the group, and you can feel that right away. It is not trying to be the most refined tool here. It is the model for someone who just wants a basic DEWALT jigsaw that plugs in and gets to work. What helps this one is the fact that it still gives you useful core features. You get up to 3,100 strokes per minute, a 1-inch stroke, and 4 orbital settings, so it is not bare bones. In real use, that means it can still handle general woodcutting without drama. And the keyless blade clamp makes day-to-day use easier than you might expect at this level. But compared with everything above it, this is where the limits show up. The feature set is thinner, the design feels older, and it does not have the same polish as the stronger corded model or the newer cordless XR options. So yes, it works, but it does not feel as complete or as flexible as the others in this ranking. If you want a straightforward corded saw and care more about simplicity than refinement, this one can still make sense. But if you want something that feels a bit more serious in the hand, the next model is already a clear step up. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In fourth place, the DCS331B. And this is where cordless convenience starts to matter. For a lot of people, not dealing with a cord already makes the tool feel more practical, especially when you're moving around the garage, job site, or backyard, and do not want the cable catching on everything. This one still gives you a solid feature list. You get a top handle, variable speed trigger, tool-free blade changes, a dust blower, and multiple bevel detents. So on paper, it has a lot of what most people need. In everyday use, it is easy to understand and easy to control, which makes it a comfortable pick for someone already in the 20-volt max system. But I have to say, this is also where the age of the tool starts to show. The brushed motor is a step behind the XR models, and the top speed is a little lower too. That difference does not sound huge on paper, but in practice, the newer models feel more modern, lighter on effort, and just a bit more confident. So this one fits best if you already own DEWALT batteries and want a decent cordless jigsaw without chasing the newest version. If you want more strength and refinement though, the next model makes that jump pretty clear. And if this comparison is helping you, like the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next one. In third place, the DW331KR. This is the corded DEWALT in the lineup that feels much more serious. Right away, it comes across as the stronger and more refined alternative to the DW317K, and for some users, that steady corded power is still exactly what they want. What makes it better is not just the stronger 6.5 amp motor. You also get a wider speed range, tool-free bevel changes, a dust blower, a no-mar shoe cover, and a counterbalance design to help reduce vibration. And that matters because a jigsaw that feels calmer in your hand is simply easier to guide cleanly through a cut. The downside is easy to understand. It is still corded, so mobility is limited, and compared with the XR cordless models above it, it feels less convenient and less modern overall. It is a strong worker, no question, but once you have used a lighter cordless model with this kind of performance, going back to the cord can feel like a compromise. This is a good fit for buyers who want dependable corded power and do not care about battery freedom. But if you want more mobility and a lighter feel without giving up performance, now things get really interesting. In second place, the DCS335B, and honestly, this one is very close to first. The reason it lands here is not because it is weaker in a big way, but because the barrel grip design is more of a personal preference thing. This is a very strong package. You get the XR brushless motor, 3,200 strokes per minute, a 1-inch stroke, LED light, dust blower, and quick blade changes. In the hand, the lower grip position can give you that more connected, more controlled feeling. especially when you're trying to guide the saw carefully. For detailed work, some people will actually prefer this one over the top pick. But here is the catch. Barrel grip is great if you like that style, yet not everyone does. If you are used to a top handle, this can take a little adjusting, and some users simply never warm up to it. So the tool itself is excellent, but the fit depends more on you than on the spec sheet. If you want the more precision-focused feel and do not mind the barrel grip style, this could easily be your number one. But for the broadest group of buyers, the final model is just easier to recommend. And in first place, the DCS334B. For me, this is the safest, best overall pick in the whole lineup. It gives you the same modern XR performance as the model before it, but in a format that will feel more familiar to more people. That is really why it wins. You still get the brushless motor, the same 3,200 SPM speed, the same 1-inch stroke, the LED light, the dust blower, and tool-free blade changes. So you are not giving up the important stuff. What changes is the feel. The top handle is just more natural for a wider range of users, especially if this is your first better quality jigsaw. Now, does that mean it is perfect for every single person? No. If you are a barrel grip fan, you may still prefer the DCS335B, and that is completely fair. On paper, they are extremely close. But if I had to recommend one model to the average buyer without overthinking it, this is the one I would point to first. So if you want the most balanced DEWALT jigsaw here, this is the model to look at. It is the one that combines strong performance, lighter weight, and easy everyday use in the most universal way. Check the links in the description under the video if you want to look at the top models more closely and compare current prices. And if this ranking helped you narrow it down, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.